When we're dividing up assets and debts of a marriage, there's actually two schools of thought in the United States, and those two schools of thought are called an equitable distribution division of property, or something called marital property, if everything is considered marital property, or community property, people really refer to it as. And that depends on what state you're in. As of today, I think it's 42 states that are equitable distribution states, 8 states in the United States that are what we call community property states. So it really depends on what jurisdiction you're in with how we're going to divide up the property and what we're going to recommend. The benefit, and one of the great things about going to mediation, is that we can horse trade the property and we can figure out, okay, what's really important to me? Is the beach house more important than the mountain house? Which one do I want? Maybe one can pick one and one can pick another, and that's what the parties want, and then we can even that out and maybe pull from an account on that. If there's debts, sometimes we're fighting over debts. We went through in the times that I've been a lawyer and mediator, we went through a couple of really serious problems in the market where all we were doing is dividing up debts. And we can be super creative with that as well, because maybe somebody can write the debt. We can speak to other attorneys, maybe a bankruptcy attorney. We can do things to get low interest payments on debt. We can be super, super creative. If you just go right to litigation, that creativity is gone. The judge has no ability to kind of, somebody said to me once, slice the pie nicely. Basically, the judge is going to take a sledgehammer and the pie's going to go everywhere and people are just picking up little pieces of crushed pie. But when we can slice that pie, when we can really look at everything, we can do something that's fair and works for both of the parties.